So let's start our today's topic. RVDT, Rotary Variable Differential Transformer. So I have shown this is a circuit diagram and this is practically available equipment. Let's start the topic. Today's topic RVDT. After LVDT, RVDT is the Rotary Variable Differential Transformer. Last class we have seen LVDT. LVDT is linear. Means if any displacement is there linearly, that displacement it is able to convert into EMF. Now here RVDT, if any angular displacement is there, angular displacement, then it is able to convert into EMF. Let's see the structure, how it works. It is an electromechanical transducer, which converts transducer we are saying because it is able to convert one form of the signal into another form. Here one form is angle, it is able to convert the angular displacement into EMF. Same structure as that of LVDT if you remember. It has a primary winding. Here it is a primary winding. It is excited with the AC signal because I want EMF, magnetic field. Okay, this magnetic field is there and two secondary coils we will take, same as that of LVDT. Two secondary coils we will take. Two coils of same material, same number of windings. Core is not there, let it be. Our core is at the middle. This core is nothing but a permanent magnetic material like ferrous material, iron, simply. It is at the center, exactly at the center. So both the flux, both these secondary windings get the same flux. Flux generated by this is equally distributed among both. According to Faraday law, both will generate induced EMF, will produce. The difference of these induced EMF we are taking as the differential output. What we are taking? The difference of these induced EMFs E is equal to minus d phi by dt. So here it generates d phi by dt. Here it generates EMF. This difference we are taking. See. If the core is at the center, then we will get the 0 volts, 0 difference. Such an arrangement we will do. Okay, then see. Now the core is now angular, circular, spherical. Now see the construction is this. These are the construction steps. What I have explained you. It look like this actually. When you rotate this core, clockwise or anti-clockwise, any way you can rotate. Then this rotation will change the flux induced, flux generated by this. It will disrupt. Yes, angular velocity. BQV, the velocity. We are changing angular velocity. V by R. Omega is equal to V by R. Okay. Now see, when you are changing clockwise direction, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anything. If you are changing clockwise direction, then ES1 or ES2, anyone here according to ES1 will be greater. If I rotate clockwise direction, practically you have to see this actually. ES1 will be greater. EMF will generate, ES1 will be greater. And ES2 will be lesser. Then ES1 minus ES2, yes, there is a voltage generated now. There is a differential voltage. What it is indicating? Yes, there is an angular displacement. If it is positive, yes, there is an angular displacement in clockwise direction. This clockwise direction angular displacement, I am able to convert into EMF, differential EMF, differential voltage, which is the definition of the transducer. Transducer is able to convert one form of the displacement, one form of the energy into another form. Here one form is angular form. This angular displacement I am able to convert into the differential voltage E naught, because the flux linkage with the primary secondary windings are different now. The EMF induced in the secondary windings are different now because of this angular velocity or angular displacement. Now Now you rotate anti-clockwise direction. Now if I start rotating anti-clockwise direction, the flux linkage starting, the flux produced by the primary winding will change, and the flux at secondary winding at LS2 will be greater than the flux induced, flux generated at this secondary winding LS1. The EMF induced at the secondary winding LS2, that is ES2, will be greater than that of induced EMF at ES1. Yes, now there is a change. Now that change, the difference will be there. Now when I rotate anti-clockwise direction, yes, there is a difference I got. I can say it is minus reverse voltage when compared to the previous. So in that way, I am able to differentiate the angular displacement, whether it is clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So this is perfectly working, which is used to convert the angular displacement into voltage, and it is linearly produced. Very advantageous. One practical also we will see. And that day I have shown actually NVDT. Now again I will show you. Now let's see. Now this is what the construction. When it is in null position, both the secondary coils, both the secondary coils will induces EMF, same EMF. ES1 is equal to ES2 because flux linkage with both the windings are same. The difference is zero. These are the advantages. Key advantages: durability, low cost, easy, linear behavior, long life, high performance. Okay. Few disadvantages. Applications: rotary actuators, valve positioning, aircrafts. Okay. Okay. Let's see one practical. I mean, it is now see one simple practicals. Let's see. Angular displacement is converted to EMF. So one side I am rotating, one LED is on a switch on, another side another LED. Why? When it is clockwise direction, one EMF induced is ES1 is more, ES2 is lesser. Okay, ES1 minus ES2, let it be positive. So I connected one LED in that direction. When you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, ES2 is greater, ES1 is lesser. So I connected one LED in that direction to see very clearly. When you are not at all rotating, see, when you are not rotating, no LED is switch on because null position 0. Sir, this is motor, no sir, this is not RVDT. RVDT has primary winding and a AC voltage. Winding and AC voltage gives you flux, but in a motor, if you see magnetic flux, field is there, magnet will be there, permanent magnet is there. It generates the flux. Phi is equal to BA cos theta. B is there, area is there, theta I am generating. So it is not exactly RVDT, but same principle it will work. Let's see again. Clockwise direction, one side EMF is generated. Anti-clockwise direction, another side is generated. See, perfectly. So this is the way. Okay, thank you.